Hey guys, it's Samuel Agee here. We're going to be talking about rotational motion and balance today in disc golf. This first video here, we got me throwing a balanced frisbee, balanced footwork and ideal rotational motion of the frisbee. Obviously, this just results in straight throw. That's what we want. Good balance, good trajectory. That's what we want from that stance and motion. And here we got a little wild 1 foot upside down hammer, scuba, whatever you want to call it. And we'll just break this down for you guys, okay? So my 1 foot throw it's okay, but I mean it's definitely not ideal for where I want to go here. I meant to go in a straight line, and we broke off hard to the left. A lot of this has to do with the rotational motion of this disc. Throwing them upside down actually makes them want to flip up, which doesn't make any sense, but I mean that's how it works. This frisbee was trying to flip, so that's the rotational motion in that. And obviously the balance, my shot is off trajectory. So if I'm trying to throw it around a tree, different instances like that, we're going to be throwing different kinds of shots like this. I mean, your other straight shot, obviously you just want to throw it when you're in a straight fairway, but right here, say we're trying to throw it around that little bush, bam, around the little bush. I mean, obviously you could throw right over top, but I mean, imagine it's a big tree. So, all right, that's all I got for you guys today. Catch you in the next one.